If you sow bad ways, you would get bad ways. If you sow, hallelujah, good ways, you would get good things. I come to tell somebody it's your time to reap your harvest. Now how your harvest look? What you been sowing? How in the world you expect to sow grapefruit and end up getting orange? How in the world you expect to sow sour and turn around and get orange? You will reap what you sow. It is harvest time. I come to declare today, this is your time. What time it is? My time. What time it is? My time. It's time to receive. This is the year of giving birth. The Lord told me, he said, you tell them. He said, they're going to give birth